AKINSOFT WOLVOX 8 unit definitions. Although a unit is defined by default, you may have products with different units, and you may want to follow these products according to their own units. First of all, from the admin menu, click the General Settings button from the Definitions list. On the screen that opens, click on Stock Settings and set the Quantity Accuracy settings. Otherwise, you may get an error when you want to specify quantity accuracy for your unit. To define the unit, click the Stock Unit Definitions button from the Definitions list in the Stock Management menu. In the window that opens, there is the name of the unit you want to define and global code field that you can optionally define. After filling these information, you can determine the quantity accuracy of your unit. You can specify how many digits after the decimal point your unit is in the quantity accuracy field. You may want to establish a relationship between the units you define for any of your stocks. For example, you may buy stock X by the kilogram and sell it by the meter. In this case, after creating these two units, open the relevant stock card and select your basic unit first from the Unit Barcode tab. Then select your other units from the Other Units field. You should use the coefficient and transaction columns to define the relationship between the other units you selected and the basic unit. Let's say 1 kilogram is 10 meters for stock X. For this, write 10 in the coefficient column of the meter and select division from the transaction field. You can now buy stock X by the kilogram and sell it by the meter, or buy by the meter and sell by the kilogram. You can follow the final situation of these units from the stock inventory with unit report.